Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm proud to present you the latest mold from Molds and Shapes, and it's the Ovale Graceful Lines coaster mold, and it's a kintsugi style, and I really love it. So what I did here, I mixed my glitter, and it's the Fantasy Sandcastle glitter, and I mixed it with some of the power Laura, you need to correct me, shells, and they're sort of abalone shells, so I hope they poke a little bit through the glitter, so it was a little bit risk of me to mix both together. But anyway, look at this awesome mold, and I love the lining, and it's very, very delicate, as you can see. And it has really a very modern style, and I love the oval shape. I think it's a beautiful match to each other. It's really complementing each other very, very well. So what I'm doing now, I'm pouring my resin. I'm not sure if I said it's the Art Pro resin from Resin Pro. I pour it into my mold, so I have the bottom filled up a little bit, so just the bottom is covered. And what I plan to do is a web effect, because I thought a delicate web effect in a sun color, creamy color would look fantastic in this mold. So that's what I'm doing now. But first I'm going to take care a little bit of my clear resin and making sure that I just take care of the bubbles which are a little bit trapped on the bottom. Just always be careful when you use the dotting tool that you are not scratching your mold. And that's my first color, and it's a mica, and it's a sand color. And I really love this color. So I'm pouring this around the mold or around the edge. Then I'm filling up the mold with some of the resin before I'm taking my white. And the white is a mixture of the Angel White pigment paste and the Aura Emerald from Laura's Art Corner. So I thought this might be a nice mix, because the abalone shells or power shells, they also had a sheen of green in there. And that's why I took the emerald. So I have a little bit sheen, hopefully, in my web effect. So I'm doing this with all the coasters, because I want to have really a nice matching set. But also with this technique, I mean, it's warm, it's very warm outside, and yeah, you need to take care that your resin is not setting up too quickly. And well, I think, you know, I'm lucky with the Art Pro from Resin Pro, because it has really a long working time, and even with this weather, you still have time, but you still need to watch out. So I'm just taking care of my last coaster, put the sand color again, and then on top my white mix. And then I'm just giving it a quick torch on the surface. There, always be careful using the torch. And then I'm just taking the rest of my mica and my pigment paste mix, and I'm just pouring around so that there's enough color that can, you know, that can pull to the center and make a beautiful, hopefully beautiful web effect. I love this technique very, very much, because I love the effects of the resin. I discovered that the resin is pulling nicely to the center when I started my journey with the resin. It's almost 3 years ago, and I made one pour, And I was so amazed what the resin is doing. And I didn't know that that it was actually an effect. I was just fascinated. But anyway, here's a little time lapse, and there you can see how the resin moved to the center. Please have mercy with all the movement in the background because I was busy with something else. And then I was also using the heat gun a little bit so that the resin would move a tiny bit more. But there you see that the resin was moving nicely. And here you see the close-up when it really stopped or almost stopped moving. And what I love about the glitter, that it moved also to the center or a few glitter bits, and it's on the top. So when you turn it over, it might give it a nice 3D effect. And that's what I really, really love. And I also love the color combination. I think it's wonderful for this style of mold. But anyway, this is the next day and I can demold. And I'm very curious. It wept quite a lot. And I hope that I maybe also have a little bit of a crackle effect at the edges. So we will wait and see till I turn them over. They pop out really easily out of this mold. I mean, Molds and Shapes, they have high quality molds. They're just amazing. And God knows what I was doing there before I took out the other 4 coasters. Please have mercy with me. Yeah, there I need to take something off. A little bit of a drip that was at the sides. And then the last one, and then we can have a look together. And I'm so curious. But look at that. There's clear space down there, but I don't mind because that's where the glitter is. But look at the web effect and around also the crackle effect. Look at that. I'm really, really happy with the outcome. They look really delicate. And yeah, I already can tell you that I practically sold the set. I need to make another 2 coasters. And then I can sell a set of 6 pieces because I showed this to my colleague and she really loved them and she wants them for her daughter. So I'm quite happy about this too. Because, you know, I'm normally not really selling my coasters. But anyway, this is how they looked like. And this is when I did the lining. What I did, I used a needle bottle and I poured with a needle bottle very thin lines where the lining is. But I didn't film it, unfortunately. I hope you don't mind. I was just so excited of doing them. And then later I also made a top coat so that there's also the surface good protected. And this is actually the final result. And look at these. I think they turned out really beautiful and the effects are amazing. They have such a 3D effect and I really love them. Yeah, I hope you love these too. And check out Molds and Shapes. They have awesome new molds. And just have a look for them because these are amazing. With this, I love and leave you. And we see each other hopefully for my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.